अरे हु इज द सीएमओ हियर? सीएमओ कोण आहे रे? सीएमओ कोण आहे? हु इज द सीएमओ? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. तू CMO? तू उलोवपाक सारखे रीत आहे ना? आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक, यू कॅनॉट गाईड हिम प्रॉपरली. You learn to control your tongue. You're a doctor. Don't force me to act. Put your hands out first when you're standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हण. तू कित्याक रावला हांगा वयर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तू डॉक्टर तू. मास्क काड पयली, म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडा. And kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking. You please go. Dusra CMO gala, I'll issue the note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from here. And don't report back because as long as I'm in me, not in you. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And ज्या I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरा वचून ती नाल्यार सिक्युरिटी धरून भायर मारतो ना तुका. एका भायर काड हांगाच्या. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now.